How to do Mailchimp template design. In simple steps, you can do this in 7 steps. 1. Log into your Mailchimp account and go to the Campaigns tab. Click Create Campaign and select Email. Choose between regular, automated, or plain text emails. Then click Design Email to proceed. 2. Pick a template from Mailchimp's pre-designed options, or start from scratch. If you want a customized look, use the drag and drop editor to structure your layout according to your email's purpose. 3. Add content blocks for text, images, buttons, and social media links. Click on any block to edit it. Keep your text concise and engaging, and use high-quality images to make the email visually appealing. 4. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. Mailchimp allows you to customize styles in the design section. Stick to a consistent theme to make your email look professional. 5. Optimize for mobile by previewing your template in both desktop and mobile views. Many users read emails on their phones, so ensure images and text are properly aligned and easy to read. 6. Test your email by sending it to yourself or a test group. Check for formatting issues, broken links, or design inconsistencies. Use the Inbox Preview feature to see how your email will appear on different devices. 7. Save your template and use it for future campaigns. You can find saved templates under Templates in your Mailchimp dashboard, making it easier to maintain consistency in your email marketing.